For marinating procedure, put all together the ingredients. First, the fish sauce, ground black pepper, ginger, garlic, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and 1 piece of egg. Now that you're ready, you can mix all together the ingredients using your hands. Just make sure you wash your hands first. If you're done, you can keep the chicken inside the fridge for 1 hour and get ready for frying. Wait until it's golden brown. After you fried it, just set aside. Now let's cook our sauce. So first, put the butter in the pan and wait until it melts. Now, you can add your tomato sauce. And stir it. You can add now your hot sauce, but it's just optional. Now, add the sugar. Stir it continuously. If you're done, you can now toss your fried chicken in the sauce. And that's it! All you have to do is to mix it until the color makes even. And you can now have your buffalo chicken wings!